Here is how to send large videos on WhatsApp. So first, go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Then after, go to the chat or conversation where you want to send the video. Then tap on the plus icon or the attachment icon. A menu will appear indicating gallery, camera, location, contact, document, poll, event, and AI images. Go ahead and select the document option. And from here, you can browse documents, choose from your gallery, scan document, or browse audio. You can scroll down and find the document that you want to send. Select the document that you want to send, and then tap on this arrow button from the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the send icon. You can also add a caption or message before sending and wait for the video or the document to upload completely. And once uploaded, the video will be sent in its original quality. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.